Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back in the kitchen and we are gonna cook something from not scratch because we don't have time to do that and it's hot in the kitchen area and I don't want to be here for longer than I have to feed myself because I am a fatty who needs food right now. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make poutine. I saw Julian Solomita make this on his channel and I thought, oh my god, I want poutine, and so today that's what we're gonna make. We're gonna make it in a bit more of a cheaty sense where it's not gonna be vegan or gluten-free. It's just gonna be what we have and it's gonna be easy. I'll leave the links below in the description of the different recipes I'm using, and I'm just gonna really try to, you know, just whip this together and get some poutine in my stomach. I'll show you the ingredients and let's get started. So for ingredients today, what we're gonna be using is vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, potatoes, this chicken bouillon, chicken bouillon stuff, because for this gravy recipe, it calls for that and chicken stock. So chicken stock, Hanford's brand, any brand, some butter, and we're gonna use mozzarella cheese for our cheese curds. First, what we're gonna do is prepare our potatoes, and we're gonna cut them up, put them in a colander, put them under some water, and try to wash off all the starch, and then we'll get the gravy prepared because I think this is gonna be a rather quick recipe, so I can kind of just do it all together and make sure it's all kind of timed correctly. So I'm gonna cut my potatoes in like a shoestring sort of way so we can get some nice fries. Okay, so the potatoes are done and now we're just gonna wash them in the sink and try to get off all the starch. Now we're just drying the potatoes before we put them in the oil. So with the gravy, what it needs, so we're gonna just like not follow the rules and we're gonna go by our own. I don't like that. It's supposed to pour from this way and I won't do that. Ooh, there's a hack. Maybe 1 spoon of this. So I think that's about maybe 2 cubes. So while that heats, we're just gonna measure the 4th cup of flour we're gonna need. So I put the flour right here. This is heating up. Now let's start getting our oil ready. We have a lot of vegetable oil because for this, like we're frying the fries obviously, so they're gonna need to have they're gonna need to be fully covered. So I'm gonna put that much oil in. We got a whisk for when we're gonna put in our flour. And we're still waiting for this to heat up. To be completely honest, I am so expecting this to be an epic fail. I'm just so taking shortcuts when I'm cooking this, so I feel like there's a really high probability that this is not gonna turn out okay. I'm just a big mess and I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm complaining, but obviously there are bigger issues going on and I'm completely aware of that. So also make sure you check the description box for the latest petitions you can sign and places where you can donate still with the Black Lives Matter movement, because that is still an issue today. And also, the pandemic is not over. As much as things are opening back up, folks, the pandemic is not over, so please be mindful of that. Not everything is back to normal. I know it's hard to be secluded for this long, especially when summer is coming and nice weather is out, but everything that you like is still gonna be here. Bars are still gonna exist. Going to restaurants are still gonna exist, so please be mindful of that. And, you know, stop acting like the pandemic is over, because it's not. And scene. It smells like a hot oil. It's not bubbling. I don't know if it's not gonna do that because it's not a fryer, but let's just stick it in and see if some fries start to fry. Oh my god, I was right. Ugh, oh my god, I did a bad thing. Ah, I regret the thing I did. Ah. Oh my god, I can't believe it's working. Oh my god, I'm double fisting and cooking. Woo! So as you can see, they're getting super crispy now. Definitely starting to look like real French fries. I'm just gonna give them a little bit longer so they really can all get golden. Some of them are still a little pale. My gravy is so full of like flour chunks and I don't know how to get them out. I've been whisking like crazy, but they're still just, you know, chunky, and so it's also not very thick. So I honestly don't know what I'm supposed to do, because I put in water, I put in extra starch, it just made it more chunky. And I, like, this is almost gonna be ready, so I need to be able to pair them, and it's just a big old mess. Oh my god. Fries are out, and let's put a little salt on them, a little pepper. You know, I've gotten a good amount of the chunks out, but you can still see there are a couple, but I got more out than there was before. So like you saw before, it's a little chunky with the flour gravy. We didn't do anything cool with the cheese. We just ripped it apart and put it in there. And then we put in our French fries. But I'm gonna have a bite and just see how it tastes. And you know what? Sometimes something may look ugly, but what it has inside is oh so good. This is really good. That is poutine. Thank you for watching this fail of a video. Even though it turned out really good, I definitely failed in a lot of parts. It just did not go how it was supposed to go, but it still came out with a very decent product. So I hope you like this video. I hope you're staying safe, and I will see you next week. Bye.